Let's get started on today's lesson. How do you express this situation in English? To cling. To cling. The cicada shell is clinging to the wall. To cling to something means to hold on to it by grasping or sticking. This word also carries the nuance of not wanting to let go. For example, he clung to the rope of the rescue helicopter. You can also cling to things that you can't touch, like love, traditions, or ideas. For example, the family clung to the hope that their lost dog would be returned to them.